Happy morning to all of you. Welcome back in Shri Ganesh Online Education Series. Dear students, we are learning chapter number 12. That is the Siege of Purandar and the treaty with the Mughal Emperor. In this chapter, we have learned 2-3 points. First one was raid on Surat. All of you have learned it. If you have not learned it, please you can see that previous video. Raid on Surat, and after that we have learned siege of Purandar by the Mughal army. Siege of Purandar by the Mughal army. I have shown you in the last video that suppose this one is a fort. Okay, so this Mughal people, they make a round to this fort. Okay, and this is called siege of Purandar. Okay, they took a round, all people from all the sides they block the ways of Purandar fort. So that is called siege of Purandar. Okay, so in that we have seen that Diler Khan, who have done this, Diler Khan. Okay, and who was in charge of this Purandar fort? What is his name? Murar Baji. What was his name? Murar Baji. Murar Baji. Okay, and who says to this Purandar fort? Diler Khan. Diler Khan. Okay, now see. Yesterday we have seen that this Diler Khan's troop, they attack on the Purandar fort. Okay, and Murar Baji was in charge of that fort. He was very brave and he had brave Mavalas also with him. So what he decided? He decided to defeat our Purandar fort. So he decided to defend these enemies. Okay, so that he can defeat the fort. Okay, if he will defend the enemies, then only he can defeat the. Okay, so now see. Yesterday I told you meaning of defeat means failure, and defend means to save something from someone. To save something from someone. Defend means. Okay. So Murar Baji decided if we have to defend our Purandar fort, we have to defeat with Diler Khan and his troops. So he gave fight with them. But after some time, Diler Khan's people, they came on the down fort, upper fort and lower fort. We have seen. Okay, so they took charge of the lower fort. So Murar Baji and his troops, they went on the upper fort. And after some time, Murar Baji decided to fight with this Diler Khan and his troops. So with 500 Mavalas, how many? With only 500 selected Mavalas, he attacked on the Diler Khan's troop. Okay, and the one who was coming in the way, Murar Baji used to cut their throats and broke their heads. Okay, like this, and they were going ahead, and they reached to the Diler Khan's camp, from where Diler Khan was watching all these things. Okay, this much we have seen. We have seen that Diler Khan mounted on his elephant and looked ahead. Diler Khan, he also got feared, so immediately he got mounted on his elephant. Okay, and from there he started watching this war, and then he saw that courage of this Murar Baji. Okay, so now what he says to Murar Baji, that we have to see today. So what is today's point? Murar Baji's incomparable valor. Murar Baji's incomparable valor. Okay, so all I have to open your textbook, page number 46, chapter number 12. All I open it. I hope all of you have opened it. See, days are getting shorter and we have to do proper study. Okay, because your annual exam again it will be taken in the school. Okay, so don't think that we are going to copy answers from notebook for the annual exam. You will not get a single chance to copy answers from your notebook because your annual exam will be held in the school. Okay, so from now only do sincerely study. Okay, now see, and within couple of days we are going to complete this chapter, then we are going to start new chapter. Okay, it will complete within couple of days. See, Murarbaji's incomparable valor. Put your index finger there. See, seeing Diler Khan, Murarbaji asked his troops to attack in full force and himself advanced towards Diler Khan. And when Murarbaji saw to Diler Khan, what Murarbaji said to ask his troops, asked means said only, okay, in this sentence. Murarbaji asked his troops to attack in full force. How? In full force we have to attack, and himself means Murarbaji also went ahead. He was not sitting on a place like Diler Khan. Diler Khan was sitting on an elephant. Okay, but Murarbaji, he was not sitting, even he was in charge. He was giving a proper fight. Okay, and he was ahead of all his Mawlas. So see, and they forward towards the Diler Khan. Now whoever tried to obstruct him was cut to pieces, and whoever tries to obstruct him, obstruct means comes in his way. So whoever comes in the Murarbaji's way, Murarbaji used to cut their heads, cut their throats. Okay, like this, and he used to cut them into pieces. Means he was not doing small pieces. Okay, means he used to kill them. Like this we have to take. Okay. The Mughal troops at last surrounded Murarbaji on all sides, and at the last, Mughal troops, suppose this one is Murarbaji, okay, this dot means Murarbaji, and Mughal troops, they surrounded to Murarbaji from all the sides, and now our Murarbaji is in the middle. Okay, so see. Just then Diler Khan shouted. Just then what Diler Khan shouted? Suppose here Diler Khan is sitting on the elephant. Okay. So just then Diler Khan shouted. What he shouted? Wait, hold back your swords. Wait, hold back your swords. Swords means I told you. Or you can see in the picture also on the next page. These are the swords. Okay. In Marathi now many times I have told you. Now I am not going to tell you in Marathi. Understood? Swords. So what he told? Wait, hold back your swords. The Mughal troops halted and moved back a little. The Mughal troops halted and hold back their swords. Okay, and they move a little back. Then Diler Khan addressed Murarbaji. Means Diler Khan told to Murarbaji. Okay, in our assembly, how principal address? Okay, so address means he used to give some information. He used to talk with them. So like that only, Diler Khan addressed to Murarbaji. Now what he addressed to Murarbaji, that we have to see. See. Until now, I have not seen a sword man like you. What he said? Until now, I have not seen a sword man like you. Means like whom? Like Murarbaji, who have not seen Diler Khan. You come over to our side. What he said? You come over to our side. Means from Mughal side. I promise you complete safety. And I promise you about your complete safety. You will be complete safe. But for that, what you have to do? You have to come from our side. Okay? The emperor will make you a Sardar. And what he said? The emperor, how we used to say Maharaj? Like that, they used to say emperor. Okay? The emperor will make you a Sardar and reward you with a Jagir. And emperor will make you Sardar and he reward you with a Jagir. his eyes red with anger. Who's Murarbaji now? See, his eyes red with anger. Murarbaji said in return. Now Murarbaji become very angry. Why? Because this Diler Khan, who is a servant of Mughal, he used to offer him that he should join Mughal emperor, and Murarbaji was not agree with it. So Murarbaji became very angry, and what answer he gave to Diler Khan, that we have to see. See what answer he gave. We are the loyal servants of Shivaji Maharaj. What he said? We are the loyal servants of Shivaji Maharaj. Who wants to buy safety from you? Who wants to buy safety from you? We are loyal servant. Do you know loyal's meaning? Means truth with their another person. Okay, that is called loyal. We are loyal to our Shivaji Maharaj, who wants to buy safety from you. Like this, he asked questions to him. Why should we come over your side? And why should we come over your side? And who wants your emperor's Jagir? And who wants your emperor's Jagir? He then moved forward in the direction of Diler Khan and again started attacking his soldiers. Like this answer he gave to Diler Khan, and immediately he started to move towards the Diler Khan, and again he started to fight whoever comes in his way. Whoever comes in his way or whoever obstruct him, he used to kill them. So like this, his war again started. So Diler Khan, who was sitting in the Howdah. What is this word? Howdah. Howdah means a seat for riding on the back of an elephant. A seat for riding on the back of an elephant. That is called Howdah. Okay? From your nursery class, you are learning this word in Marathi. What we are saying? Who can tell me by guessing this word? A seat for riding on the back of an elephant. What is its meaning? Ambari. We are singing Marathi. Are ananasacha, like that. Amre ambaricha. Okay? So like that. That is called Howdah. On the elephant's back. Release an arrow which pierced Murarbaji's neck. And this Diler Khan, who was sitting on Howdah, he released an arrow towards Murarbaji, and that arrow pierced on Murarbaji's neck. Pierce means, what is meant by pierce? See, pierce means to make a hole in body with sharp point or object. That is called pierce. Okay? So, whatever arrow was released by Diler Khan pierced on Murarbaji's neck. Suppose this one is arrow and it pierced on Murarbaji's neck, and Murarbaji fell down. Okay? See. Murarbaji fell on the ground. His followers lifted his dead body and took it back to the upper fort. See. And Murarbaji fell on the ground. Okay, that means he died. And his followers, Murarbaji's followers means who were the Mavlas. Okay, so those Mavlas took his dead body and they took that dead body to the upper fort. Okay, they were fighting now on the lower fort, so that dead body they took on the upper fort. What if one Murarbaji is fallen? What if one Murarbaji is fallen? We too are brave like him. What others said? What happened if one Murarbaji fallen? We too are brave like him. We will fight with courage. What they said? What other Mavlas said? If one Murarbaji fell, what happened? We too are brave like him. Means like Murarbaji. And so we will fight with courage. Saying so, they began to fight again without losing heart. And so they began to fight again without losing heart. Now courage means what? See, courage word is here. What is meant by courage? The quality of mind that enables a person to face difficulties. the quality of mind that enables a person to face difficulties. Okay, that is means courage. In our prayer also we used to say courage word. Okay, so you should know simple words meanings. Okay, whatever word meanings I used to give you on the board, that you should learn it, because while reading you should understand the meaning of those difficult words which are used in the book. Okay, and when you will learn their meanings, these words will also not be difficult for you. Okay, before every work it seems difficult. When you will start it, it becomes easier one. So keep it in mind. Okay. Now see what is in the last paragraph. Shivaji heard the news with great sorrow. Shivaji Maharaj was there on Purandar? No, he was on another fort. Where Shivaji Maharaj heard this news. Heard this news means when he got this news, he feel great sorrow. He feel great sorrow. He knew that he could hold each one of his fort against the Mughal army for at least more than a year. What Shivaji Maharaj knows, he can hold each of the fort against Mughal army for 1 year, at least 1 year, at least or more than 1 year. But he was unwilling to do so that. At the cost of his men. Why? At the cost of his men, who would die in the attempt. And so Shivaji Maharaj don't want to take risk. He don't want to take risk, or he don't want which risk? To save his forts in the change of his people. Because if he will hold one by one, his people will die. So he was not agree for that. Okay, in the attempt of his people. Okay, so like this. So what Shivaji Maharaj will do now after this? Okay, that we have to see. That we will see in the next video. Tomorrow itself you will get the second video. Okay, so now today what we have learned, Murarbaji's incomparable valor. And now see students, it's a very golden chance to all of you. If you have not understood when I have taught, okay, so what you can do, one more time you can see the video. Okay, so you will get the link and you will get it understand. Okay, in school teacher used to teach only once. Okay, but now due to this online teaching, it's your benefit that one lecture many times you can see it. Okay, so again and again you can make revisions. Okay, so do proper study. Thank you very much. And one more thing remains, word meanings. You have to copy these word meanings 2 times in your notebook. Okay, word its meaning, word its meaning, word its meaning 1 time, and again 1 time you have to copy it. Understood? Thank you very much.